Today, we are going to solve a problem from Fundamental of Physics Holiday and Resnick 9th edition about motion along the straight line. At the instant the traffic light turns green, an automobile starts with a constant acceleration of 2.2 meters per square second. At the same instant, a truck traveling with a constant speed of 9.5 meters per second overtakes and passes the automobile. A. How far beyond the traffic signal will the automobile overtake the truck? B. How fast will the automobile be traveling at that instant? This problem is about the motion along a straight line. We will analyze the motion using the equation of straight motion. In the first step, we must identify the information given from the question and identify what is being asked in the problem. We can express all of it in an illustration and write it down given and required. This is the traffic light turns green, an automobile, and a truck. The initial speed of automobile is 0. We can write V0A equals 0, and the acceleration of automobile, we can write AA equals 2.2 meters per square second. And the truck comes with the constant speed Vt equals 9.5 meters per second. Because it has constant speed, so the acceleration of truck At equals 0. Truck go ahead and automobile overtake the truck. So the question from this situation is, how far beyond the traffic signal will the automobile overtake the truck? Okay, the distance of automobile when it overtakes the truck, we can write XA. And how fast will the automobile be traveling at that instant? The instant speed when automobile overtakes the truck, we can write VA. And the solution, the automobile will overtake the truck when the distance from the starting point will be equal at the same time. First, we find the time when the car overtakes the truck, or T. We can write distance of automobile equals distance of truck. Using the equation of straight motion, this, the initial speed of automobile, the time, the acceleration of automobile, the time square. The initial speed of truck, time, the acceleration of truck, time square. Then we substituted the value of each variable. We know that V0A is 0, T, the acceleration 2.2 meters per square second, T square, the initial speed of truck 9.5 meters per second, and the acceleration of truck is 0. So we get this and this. Both sides divided by T, we get this, and T equals 9.5 meters per second divided by 1.1 meter per square second. So T approx 8.6 seconds. Thus, the distance when the automobile overtakes the truck, XA, is using equation of straight motion, the distance, the initial speed of automobile, the time, the acceleration of automobile, time square. Substitute the value of each variable, and we know that t approx 8.6 seconds. So the distance is 81.4 meters. And the instant speed of automobile when it overtakes the truck, VA, is, okay, using the equation for straight motion, the instant speed, the initial speed of automobile, the acceleration of automobile, the time. Then we substitute the each value, so we get VA approx 18.9 meter per second. So we can say that the automobile overtakes the truck at a distance of 81.4 meters with a speed 18.9 meter per second. That's all for today. I hope this is useful and see you in the next lesson.